Hello guys, welcome to the Math Printer, and today we're going to solve this beautiful equation. Well, first of all, we have to consider this as being greater or equal to 0 and this as also as being greater or equal to 0. So let's solve this before we start solving our equation, right? We have to find our conditions. So this is greater or equal to 0. So this gives us half, negative half. So x is equal to, sorry, it's not equal. So our x has to be greater or equals to 3 half. Okay, this is first condition. Second one, we have a half here. Okay, just gonna do the same thing. Um, Negative half. So I'm gonna multiply both sides by -1. So it's going to be x over 3 and so we have to change this sign. It's going to be less or equal to 3 to, sorry, I'm going to delete it. My eraser not working. Well, so I have x over 3. Okay, so my x is going to be less or equal to 3 half. Okay, guys. So this is our condition. So I'm going to put these conditions here. So we have to do this. Our solution have to obey these conditions. Okay. Well, now I'm going to erase this and start solving our question, our problem. So guys, first of all, if this plus this is equal to 1, well, you have to agree with me that I'm going to have two conditions, or this one is 0 and this one is 1, or this one is 0 and the other is 1. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to have my first condition. I'm going to have this square, this root, right, over 3. It's going to be 1 and the other is going to be 0, right? 2023 and I have 1 half minus equals 0. This is the first one. And the second one, I'm going to write here the second one, okay? It's it's going to be equal 0 or 2023 half, negative half, it's going to be 1, okay? So let's solve now, okay? I have to find the same answer here and here so that I'm gonna be sure that my answer is correct, right? So guys, by taking uh, this side to uh, the same power as this index, so what I'm gonna get is I'm gonna have 1 over 2 plus x over 3 equals 1 because 1 to the power 2023 is 1, as well as I'm going to do the same here. So I have 1 over 1 half minus x over 3. This is going to be 0. So it follows. So I have x over 3 equal 1 minus 1 half, and my x over 3 here is going to be negative half. Okay, and this is negative. So it follows that I'm going to have x over 3 equals 1/2. Okay. And here I'm going to multiply both sides with -1. So I'm gonna have x over 3 equals a half, a positive half. Okay, so now you can see that I got x over 3. Sorry, now I have x is going to be, I multiply cross multiplication, right? It's going to be 3/2, and this is going to be 3/2 as well. So my first answer is 3/2. Okay, and let's solve for this one to see what the answer will be. Okay, so taking the same step as here, I'm gonna have for this one a half plus. Remember, you have to take the power 2023 both sides. Okay, so you have here is going to be 0, and the second one is going to be 0 to 2. So you have x over 3 equals -1/2, and minus x over 3 equals -1/2, right? Sorry, this is 1, um this is 1. Okay, so this is -1 plus -1/2 plus 1. So continuing, I'm going to have from here my x is going to be -3. My x is going to be -3/2. Okay, and my other x here is going to be here. I would get 1/2 times times -1, so it will be minus. So let me just rewrite it. My pen is not working today. Um, so it is a half, right? So I have x equals -3/2, and x equals -3/2, 3/2. So I get my answer as -3/2. So my first answer is this, as you can see, right? The first answer is this one, and the second answer is this one, and it obeys our condition here. Okay, so we have x1 equals to 3/2, and the second equals to 3 minus 3/2. So our solution for problem is x equals plus or minus x. Oh Jesus, I have my x equals to plus or minus 3/2. Okay. Okay, guys, you can verify the solution it's correct. Okay, you can verify your answer. You can check, right? And you'll get one. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can send me suggestions to solve for the next videos. Thank you very much. See you next time, and subscribe, please.